Welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome to my Joyful Living Kitchen. I'm Kathryn. I'm your nutritionist and Joyful Living Coach, and this is Thriving Thursdays, where we take a mindful approach to nourishing not only your body, your life. I'm on a mission to help you discover that the rest of your life, it can be the best of your life. So tune in here every Thursday at 5:30 p.m. for Thriving Thursdays, where you're going to discover my dynamic mindset tools and great, healthy, fast, fun, and fabulous foods to live your happiest and healthiest life. You know, it's such a joy and such an honor to have you here. I'm delighted. Thank you for showing up. I'm wondering, do you want to simply survive, or would you rather thrive? Hey, we know the answer to that one, right? You have the power to get healthier, happier, and love your body and life. Now, we're going to dive in with my vitalizing tips, specially designed to transform your relationship, not only with food, they help you love your body and your life. Love yourself up. And ready or not, summer is here. You know, the word summer, it used to send me in a panic. I'd hop on the latest crash diet, start spending hours at the gym, and really dreaming about my perfect bikini body. Well, I don't do that anymore. Now I dream of how I can get happier, healthier, and discover more joy and pleasure in my life. Hey, these things matter so much more than a bikini body. So in spite of all the craziness this year, I'm focusing on making 2020 my best year yet. I know that the rest of my life can be the best of my life. Are you with me? What can you do to finally feel healthy, vital, and comfortable in this beautiful body of yours? We know another diet is not the answer. Hey, diets don't work. If diets worked, we'd all be living in our perfect bodies and feeling fabulous. The diet industry, it's in the business of making money, not making health. It was interesting. My 84-year-old aunt, she called me yesterday. I was so happy. And she revealed to me that she's on way too many medications. She desperately wants to get off the pharmaceutical merry-go-round. You know, I see so many people in the same boat. And I want you to know it does not have to be this way. You can heal your body with your fork. And I'm here to tell you and help you get there. So instead of diving into a crash diet, I recommend you start taking baby steps by eating more organic vegetables. You know, I invite you to count the number of vegetables you eat every single day. Doesn't this sound better than counting calories? Ugh. And then I want you to increase your organic intake of vegetables by about a half a cup every single day. You know, in my programs, I recommend you eat 7 to 10 cups of vegetables a day. I know. That might seem like a lot of veggies. Yes, I said organic. Ooh. You know, pesticides, they're made to kill pests, and they're endocrine disruptors. What makes us think they're not slowly killing us? The Environmental Working Group, it publishes a great list. You can go on their website. It's called the Dirty Dozen. It's the list of the most sprayed vegetables and fruits and the least sprayed. And you know, you can look at what you really need to buy organic, but just check it out because it's really important. And then when you work your way up to 5 cups of organic veggies, you're going to discover more energy, how your energy soars, your memory is going to improve, your organs and your whole system is going to function better. You're going to get happier and healthier. But I'm going to make this easy for you. You know, this week I'm going to share with you my zucchini pumpkin pesto. I've created this recipe and you can download it below. Just click below and you can download it and snag your copy. Do you want more amazing, quick, easy, fast, and delicious veggie recipes? Hey, check out my Veg It Up video cooking series. I personally come into your home, into your kitchen, of course via video, and show you how to make 27 mouth-watering, plant-based, vibrant veggie dishes. So join me in my kitchen and learn how to make my amazingly delicious zucchini pumpkin pesto and everything else in vibrant veggies. What am I cooking up? I'm cooking up spiralized zucchini with an amazing pesto. You're gonna love it. It's a nut pesto, but it's a little different than what you're normally used to. So I'm gonna mix everything in my food processor and it'll be done in a red hot minute. Now I've spiralized the zucchini already, but spiralizing is so fun, so easy, and hey, it's so much better for you than regular pasta. Regular pasta usually is gluten, and I'm gluten-free, so I always look for creative ways. And I spiralize it with this. It's my Padrano spiralizer, and I'll put a link to it below, the Amazon link. I just love it. You just put the zucchini in here, you just spin, and it comes out, and it looks like this. It's super fast, super easy, and so good for you. So I'm gonna throw in some. Now the original recipe, I love changing recipes. The original recipe called for pumpkin seeds only. And I'm gonna put some walnuts in it because I like this is a combination, about a quarter cup, you can see the pumpkin seeds are still in here, of pumpkin seeds and walnuts. And then I'm just gonna throw in some olive oil. You'll see how quick, how easy this comes together. And a whole lot of garlic. This is about 3 cloves. But really, this is the fun thing about cooking. You can make it to your taste. You don't have to make it to the recipe. If you don't like things so garlicky, just tone down the recipe. And I'm putting in some lemon juice. Now, the original recipe, here's another modification. It called for red vinegar. Well, I thought lemon would be better, and lemon is so much better for your body. It just alkalizes your body. It helps clean you out. So I put some lemon in there. And this is basil, which you normally have in pesto, but I added arugula. Arugula is really good for you. It's so dark and leafy, and it just gives you all the vitamins, all the minerals you need. And the original recipe, again, another modification, it called for an onion. It called for white onions, but red onions are a little bit sweeter, and actually I'm not going to put it all in. It called for half an onion, but sometimes it's a little too oniony. So I'm going to make it and see how it tastes, and then if I want to tone it down, I can tone it down a little. So I'm just going to add some pink Himalayan sea salt. This is really good for you. You don't want to eat iodized salt. Iodized salt, it's just, what they do is they take all the vitamins, all the nutrients out of the salt and add back a little bit of iodine, and this way you're getting exactly what you need. If you want some iodine, I like to put in a little bit of dulse, which is a seaweed, and that'll give you all the iodine you need. I'm adding a little bit of red pepper, but you don't have to have this. That'll just make it a little more spicy. So I'm just gonna blend this up. So here we go. Okay, super quick, super easy, and oh my goodness, so delicious. See that? So I'm just gonna take some of these noodles, and I can mix all this together, which I often do, but just for demo purposes, I'm gonna show you how pretty it looks with it on top. And if you want, you can cut these up, so when you're eating this with a fork, you're not eating it like this and things are trailing. You can cut it up, or you can just leave it pretty curly like this, however you prefer. And then I'm gonna put some pesto on top and mix it in. One more big dollop of pesto. There we go. Delish. And I'm going to add some red peppers because this time of year, cherry tomatoes. These are not red peppers. I'm adding cherry tomatoes. This time of year, they're just so sweet and delicious. Just make sure you get organic because they're better for you. They don't have all the pesticides and chemicals and preservatives in them. And there we go, that's it. I'm just gonna taste this because I want to see how oniony it is. Not bad at all. With all the flavors, it really mellows out. So if you wanted to, you could mix this in and marinate it for maybe 2 or 3 hours. But what a healthy, delicious lunch, dinner, or sometimes I even eat it for breakfast. Enjoy. And if you want more of this, hey, go click over to my website at kathrynchess.com and make sure before you leave you subscribe to my page or you like my channel, because I'd love to see you again. I just want you to get healthy and well. I'm Kathryn Chess. I'm your nutritionist and joyful living coach. I help you to rebalance your hormones, renew your energy, and love your life. Click on over, check out my website. I've got lots of programs to help you get healthy and well. Bye-bye. Love you.